Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on clickbank using Pinterest with a new method, and this is going to be a really interesting video, so watch this video till the end. So here are some of my results. I do everything after showing my results, and most of the people who are teaching clickbank don't show you the results, but I show you the results and after that only I teach you any of the methods. See, I refresh the page and you can see this is the amount of money which I am receiving using clickbank. Okay, now what we have to do is I am going to show you a method. Okay, this is Pinterest, and this is what is that there is a new feature in Pinterest which is videos. Okay, so you can upload videos on Pinterest related to food, related to recipes and many other things. So what I did is I created just this simple video, and I just posted a link with this video, and I just published it on Pinterest. That how you are going to publish this type of videos on your Pinterest account, this is what I'm going to tell you, and from where you will find this type of videos is what I'm going to show you in this video. So to find this type of videos, all you need to do is go to Instagram and search for food recipe videos. Okay, and enter. Just click on this food videos, and you can find many of this type of food videos over here on Instagram. And what you have to do is just click on one of them, whichever you like. Okay, for example this one, and just copy this link. Okay, you will find this link on every video once you open the video. And after you find this link, okay, let's just copy this entire link, Control C. Okay, now what you have to do is just go to Google and search for GramSave, GramSave. Okay, GramSave. And just go to this website known as gramsave.com. What you have to do is paste that link over here and just click on the download. Once you click on the download, you can see the download appears. From just by clicking download, you can download this particular video. After you have downloaded this particular video, just go to Pinterest. Okay, just open your account, just click on this plus button and click on create pin, and all you have to do is just upload that video over here. Okay, for example this video we are taking, for example, okay, this is the video which I just okay, now add any of the title: healthy noodle recipe 2020. Okay, this is really easy. Okay, this is the title. Now just add some description. Okay, whatever you like, you can just add any of the description over here. Okay, and here let's add some superb noodles for health conscious people. Just write something which is related to food over here. Now just add some of the tags, for example food. Okay, for example just we're gonna write it as food. Oh sorry, my mistake. F below D. Okay, for example food magazine, then noodles. Okay, noodle, you can click on this noodle salad. Okay, so this type of tags, whatever the tags you like, you can add over here. And here is the link. Okay, which link we are going to provide? We are going to clickbank and going to marketplace and searching for one of the product which is related to food. Okay, there is an entire category dedicated to cooking, food and wine on internet, and what you have to do is just find a good product to promote. Okay, I definitely suggest you that here is one of the product which has the gravity of almost 66, which is a very good product which you can promote doing this method. Just click on the promote button and just generate hop link. Okay, once you generated the hop link, just copy the hop link. Okay, after that just go to Pinterest. What you have to do is just provide your affiliate link over here and just click on publish, and just select one of wherever you want to publish and click on the publish button. Once you did this, your post will be published. Okay. Okay, though there is some of the problem, they are not accepting clickbank links directly. So what you can do is, all you need to do is just go over here to a website known as Linktree. Okay, just go to this website Linktree and just create a landing page with it. I have already made a video about Linktree, how to create a landing page with linktree.com, and you can just really create landing page absolutely for free using this awesome platform, and then just promote your landing page link with your Pinterest account. This is really easy, this is really simple. All you need to do is you have to stay consistent with this method, and you can really make some very good money doing the simple things. Okay, just posting random stuff on what can we say, that Pinterest. Okay, so this is really easy. This is from where you will source the videos, and the other source for videos is also Reddit. You can also find this type of simple videos on Reddit, so you can also utilize that platform as well. So this is really easy, really simple stuff. Just take action and write in the comment box that you are going to take action on this method. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And what I definitely recommend is that watch out the other videos on my channel Moneymaker001, so that you can find new and interesting stuff related to affiliate marketing and make money online every single day.